Welcome to the Papyrus Business Designer video series on adaptive case management. In the second video of the series, we will focus on executing the previously designed value stream for a repair service case. Clerk Anna has received a repair service call triggered by a broken air conditioning unit. She will now be guided by the 3 goals and the defined tasks and processes to guarantee an efficient repair of the air conditioning unit. The customer-specific repair service case has been automatically created by the system. Clerk Anna can see every activity she needs to do in order to accomplish all goals. In the repair order, she finds all necessary goals listed, including status, open tasks, and other useful info. There is also an overview of the complete case with all involved tasks and processes in the Designer tab. Anna finds the first task in her inbox and accepts working on it. Anna's first task is to clarify what has happened and which requirements exist to fix the problem. She then adds a customer number to the order. After accepting the request, she then clarifies work time and sets a work description of the site. Back in the customer case, she gets a best next action proposal from the integrated AI component user-trained agent that learned from previously executed similar cases what other users did to achieve the goal. She applies the task for ordering the right equipment. The last task she is dealing with is to assign the right service team and select team members who are going to be responsible for repairing the broken air conditioning unit. For the team members to be able to find the exact spot of the air conditioning unit, she adds a map to the case. She has a look at the finalize working order process in detail. To be able to send out and finish the working order, it is necessary to have the whole repair case signed off by Supervisor Tim. Tim gets a notification of a new task on his mobile device, goes through the details, and signs everything off. Anna sees in her workplace that everything is approved and goes ahead to prepare the order confirmation. The whole process is now finished. The corresponding documents are generated automatically and sent to the customer, including all details regarding the entire repair service. In the next video, we will have a look at case auditing and reporting possibilities.